Welcome back to your Sunday class, everyone. In today's dictation class, we are going to see some words related to story. What are those words? Let us start our dictation. So take your pencil and your copy and be ready for the dictation. You know, if you score 10 marks, it's a very excellent. If not, you have to repeat the test till you score complete of 10 marks. So I hope you are ready. Let us start. So your first word is myth. 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 Second word is story. 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 Your third word is poem. 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 Your fourth word is legend. Legend. I repeat again, it's legend. Your next word is poet. 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 Your next word is author. Author. Author बोलते हैं ना आप लोग, author. And your next word is writer. Writer. Your next word is introduction. 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 Your next word is language. 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 Your next word is literature. Literature. English language, English literature. 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 And your last word is library. 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 I hope you might have written all the words. Now let us see the spellings. M-Y-T-H, myth. M-Y-T-H, myth. Second word, S-T-O-R-Y, story. P-O-E-M, and it is pronounced as poem. P-O-E-M. L-E-G-E-N-D, legend. L-E-G-E-N-D, legend. P-O-E-T, poet. P-O-E-T, poet. A-U-T-H-O-R, author. A-U-T-H-O-R, author. W-R-I-T-E-R, writer. W-R-I-T-E-R, writer. Introduction. I-N-T-R-O, introduction. D-U-C-T-I-O-N, introduction. Literature. L-I-T-E-R. First was language. Okay. So language. L-A-N-G-U-A-G-E. Language. Next, liter, literature. ature, literature. literature, literature. The last word, library, library, library. I hope you have scored full total of 10 marks. If not, repeat the test again and learn the spellings. Also, make sentences with each of the words to improve your English. That's all for this dictation video. Thank you. Have a good day.